guys, this is how it came out overall. Like I said, I spray paint the screws that went in there. That nut, I have to find another screw, bolt, whatever, to find another screw that goes in there. Those are black. Plasti dipped this thin piece right here so it didn't look like this crap. I did paint one side handle. See the difference from that one to that one? That one's all ashy. That's how that turned out. I have to get the car vacuumed, so take it for a drive. Alright, I just used some of this aluminum polish, metal polish, whatever it's called, on this, just the outer lip and some of the inside, and the difference is crazy. So I'm about to try on here on the trim just to see if it'll help it out a little bit. Also, I got the roof semi-fixed for now. I just fidget with the button. Until it closed flush, so I'm not gonna mess with it until I can properly have the time to sit and work on it. So as of now, it's flat, which is good. That means I could drive it if it's raining. As long as I have the tarp on there before, so. Oh wow, there's hooks on the back window. Not the back window, that right there. Oh, I think I left the headlights on, so let's go turn them off. Overview of what it looks like so far. All the work I did today. Polished these a bit. Got the car vacuumed out. I still have to clean all of this off. Steam clean. All that has to be cleaned off right there. I'm gonna steam clean it. There's marks on the seats that need to be wiped down. I gotta do a thorough cleaning. Yeah. That today. I polished this part. Wheels look really good. See, the seats are really nasty. Like, it's gonna bother me. Also, I want to get a repair kit for that spot right there. I know you guys can see it. Boom, it's like a little tear. I have to fix that. But other than that, everything in the interior is good. The lights work. I do want to change those out to LED bulbs so they're a bit brighter. It's coming along, it looks really good. Can't wait to get to that. It's really bothering me. It's so gross. I took the license plate off too. Probably get like an all black Beamer license plate to go on the front. I do need to roll my fenders because I don't want them slicing into my tires when I go over a curb. See, there's tires under here. It's not too low, but it's low enough. Overall, looks good. Turn the headlights on. Oh, that didn't turn on. Gotta clean inside the door jambs too, guys. I did get a spare key made, so we're gonna try it with the new key. Alright, the lights. That's much brighter. Well, this one's out. Gotta fix that one. Also, guys, like I said, if you can help me figure out why my anti-lock, brake fluid, and brake lining check light came on, that would be great. I do need to do a diagnostics of the engine just to be sure it's actually not that issue. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Pretty tired, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. I do need to get this speaker fixed. This one works, but it's really shitty. I do need rear speakers. I got my flashlight on, so sorry for the glare, but this window reflector is way better. Gives me way more headspace instead of having to rotate my neck just to see my corner. There's not many blind spots, but this mirror is clearly not in good condition, so until I get a new one, this is gonna have to do. View. Also, I have to get this knee, I forgot what this thing's called. I need to get a cover for this. It just looks really sloppy. If you guys have any extra ones, feel free to send it to me. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. It's not bad for like what, day 3. Also, I need to get this. I do want the actual clock that rotates the old school clocks, but I want to keep it original too at the same time, so I'm gonna need a new one because this looks crazy. And then an alarm system. Yeah, overall, I think that's good for today. Thanks for watching. Let's turn this off. Let's take all this out, and yep. Also, I gotta fix these holes. I don't know why they did this. This is crazy. Like, you literally ruined a perfectly good part. So I might have to find a new one or melt this plastic down. Thinking about getting some cup holder in here somewhere. But yeah, guys, overall I'm pretty satisfied with this buy. I've done a lot of work to it so far, although it might not look like it. It did not look like this when I got the car a few days ago. Also, I vacuumed out everything. I tucked those in there so it's nice and flush. Folded that. Yeah, this car's getting there. Give me a couple months and it's gonna be a completely different car. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any recommendations for my build, I would really appreciate it. Sorry about this bright light. I don't want to turn it off right now, but yeah, follow me on Instagram at Winter Alexandria Miller. I'll leave it in the link below. Garage looks like shit. I'm gonna clean that out too so I can park it in there. I gotta move around all that stuff. But the horn's pretty loud in this car as well. Yeah, I'm proud of it. Next time, guys.